Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So welcome to the English class. Students, you know that we have completed all the cursive letters from A to Z, right? And now we are going to do that practice in a series, in a sequence. So today we will do cursive letters from A to H. So let's start. First, which letter comes? A. So we will make letter A. Start from the third line, touch the second line, come down, go up, make a curve, go up, touch the line, come down and touch the third line, go up. Letter A. Now what? And A says A. A says A. Now what comes after A? Letter B. So start from the third line, first, second and third. Start from the third line, slant line, go up, touch the red line, make a loop, touch the second line here, come on the third line, then make a curve, make a loop again like this and go up. This is letter B. Now we will do letter C. Start from the third line, make slant line, come down, go back, make a curve, touch the line and go up. Now we will make letter D. Start from the here. It is as similar as letter A. Okay. Start, make slant line, touch the line, come down, go up, make a curve, touch the line, go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the third line and go up. This is letter D. Which letter? D. Now we will make letter E. Which letter? E. A, B, C, D, E. Start from the third line, make slant line, cross it like this, make a curve, go up. This is letter E. Now, what comes after E? A, B, C, D, E, F. F is as similar as letter B. So let's start. Start from the third line, go up, touch the red line, come down, cross it over here. Now come down till red line. Okay. Now go up, come here, touch it. In between these two lines you have to touch, make a loop and do like this. This is letter F. Now letter G. Start from the third line, go up, make a curve, curve like this, go up. Now you have to come down like this, make a loop, cross it over here and like this. Fine. And last one is H, letter H. Start from the third line, go up, touch the red line, come down, stop here, go in between, then slant, now standing line and go up. Letter H. Let's revise all the letters again from the starting. A says A, like this. Letter B. Start from the third line, go up, touch the red line, come down, make curve like this and make a loop. Letter B. Now which, and B says B. Now what will come here? A, B, C. So start from the third line, make a slant line, come down and make a curve, touch the third line, go up. This is letter C. Now what will come here? Letter D. Slant line, come down, make a curve, touch the line, go up to the red line, come down and go up. D. Now we will make letter E. Start from here, slant line, cross it over here and like this, okay? Now F. Be careful while making letter F, okay? Start from the third line, go up, touch the red line, down, touch the red line, come in between, make a loop. Now what will come? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Make A first, okay, like this. Touch it here. Now come to the red line, like this. Make a loop, like this, okay. This is letter G. Now make letter H. Start from here. Slant line, touch the red line, come down till third line, go up, slant line, come down and go up. This is letter H. Now let's revise the letters again. A says A. Which letter? A. This is B. B says B. This is letter C. C says K. Letter D. D says D. Letter E. E says E. What is this? F. F says F. And this is G. G says G. And this is H. H says H. I hope you have understood how to write letters A to H and their sounds as well. So you are to do this work in your notebook and send it to me for checking. Okay? So that's all from my side. Bye.